entrepreneur life, a celebrity life, a father, a son. Doesn't that mix
Just
it together and makes it difficult at times?
no, having a short-term memory helps. Let's put it like that. The only thing that I know, I'm a very jat like that. I'm a very jat boy. कि जो सामने है उससे करो और अच्छे से करो. उसके बाद जो सामने आएगा उसको कर लेना, अच्छे से कर लेना. So that helps. Opening one window at a time, closing it well, opening the second window really helps. The only thing you got to do is you got to be able to have compartments in your head that you need to open and close when you open and close those windows. But I honestly believe my mantra has always been just do what's in front of you and do it well and do it with all पूरी शिद्दत से करो. जो सामने है उसको पूरी शिद्दत से करो. और don't think about कि मेरे को 4 चीजें और करनी है. जो सामने है उसको शिद्दत से करो. उसके बाद and you just the moment it's like in a windy room. If you have 10 windows and you keep opening and closing windows, you're basically doing nothing. You handle a window at a time and do it well.
True, correct. So, as per the sections in the interview, like we have a fun rapid fire round for you. But before starting that, I partnered it one with some of the institutes and had one Dr. Mani who is there with us today. She is a food scientist from ICR Delhi. Dr. Mani, if you can just switch on your video and we welcome you to Rev. So,
yes. Hello, Chef.
How are you, Ji?
I'm good. I'm good. It's a pleasure talking to you.
It's my pleasure.
So, firstly, I'll thank Archana for giving this opportunity on Rev Talk. And it's really a big opportunity. It's like a dream come true talking to you, Chef. I've been following your recipes since so long, I can't tell you. And I have made so many things that you have given your recipes in Maa Ki Baat and food and things like that. And they turn out so well. That's why you are my favorite chef, because it just turns out brilliant whenever I follow a recipe of yours. So this is one thing. And there are 2 things that I want to know from you because I've got this opportunity. Chef, being a food scientist, we are always told that, food is a science. People say it's an art. But when we talk about commercial cooking, we have to standardize things and we follow a, standardized recipe. So then it becomes a science more than an art. So what is your take on this, Chef? Is it cooking is an art or is it a science?
I think it is both. But you need to build that art on science. Cooking is not magic, right? There is logic, reasoning, rationale, and
Yes.
and a reason
Yes.
as to why things happen when you put them on fire. So
Yes.
and that hasn't changed. You might call it, the reaction hasn't changed. The application of heat to an ingredient has been cooking for the last 150,000 years. So any art that is built without this foundation of science won't sustain, because these are not visions that come in your head and get constructed. These are equations that take the shape of art. So I personally believe that cooking is art, but the foundation of it is pure science. And until and unless you understand the reactions of various ingredients with each other and the reactions of various ingredients with heat, you cannot really construct anything because the basics are flawed. So I personally, if you ask me, Dr. Mani, I'm thankful that I took science and food science very seriously. And the book that has really helped me and I still open to date is The Curious Cook by Harold McGee.
Which one, sir?
It's called The Curious Cook by Harold McGee.
Okay.
Which is purely a 1,500-page book on basic equations of cooking. And I always tell people, आप जितना मर्जी बोल लें, आप आर्टिस्ट बनने के लिए भी आपको इतना काबिल होना पड़ता है कि कलम और कागज जो है वो आपके हाथों में खिले. उसके लिए it's always based on practice and science. It's not magic. It's not magic.
Right.
Seems like magic, but it's not magic.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you, chef. And one thing is again related to food safety, because I'm a person of food safety. So there's a lot of void and lot of what should I say? There's lack of awareness of food safety in India. And I am constantly in the process of creating an awareness. People don't value it much, chef. You know, when you talk about safety training, when you talk about safety aspects, they say, yeah, we know. So I think government is doing good work. FSSAI is really coming up in a strong way now, earlier than before, but still there's lot to be done. So how can we, make this awareness? You must be finding it, you must be finding a lot of difference in the food safety norms in abroad and India when it comes to food catering, right?
I think Pavanji has done a fantastic job. He's a good friend. He's on
Yes.
top of his game, sitting on helming the FSSAI. I think Pavanji has done a wonderful job of. The first need was bringing your standards up to the international level.
Yes.
Because your once your regulatory principles are at the international level, then only compliance will be at the international level. So I think that, and it's a big change to make, considering that we were living with archaic laws on food safety that were made in 1961, I think.
1952.
52. And I think that was the first step. And see, it's a cultural change. It's not. It's not something that that's the first thing that we are taught. It's a cultural change, and cultural changes take time. I think we are in the right direction. दूसरी चीज क्या होती है कि in institutions and organizations and caterings, like you said, people come from various socio-cultural backgrounds, and
Yes.
as a society, there is no common accepted food safety norm. And as hotels, the biggest challenge for us is to understand the various socio-cultural backgrounds that people come from, and first of all, draw a bare minimum where you have to reach in terms of food safety. So I think it's a socio-cultural question more than a compliance
else,
regulation
yes.
question.
Yes.
But I think we are getting there. The reason why it's taking a little longer than normal is because, unlike most developed countries, we have a huge unorganized sector in food and beverage, in which it takes time to dissipate information, and also the manpower keeps switching from unorganized to organized, and so on and so forth. So it's a lot of training, retraining. But I'm very hopeful, and I see a lot of positives ever since Pavanji's taken over FSSAI.
Okay. Thank you, Chef. Thank you for your insights, valuable insights. Okay, Chef Ranveer, there are a few things that I want to know from you because I am constantly following you. So just pick one, kebabs or biryanis?
Kebabs.
Okay. Firni or custard?
Firni.
Okay. Chinese or continental?
Chinese.
Okay. Veg or non-veg?
Veg.
Okay. And mousse or halwa?
Halwa.
And chaat or dessert?
Chaat.
Okay. I wanted to know this from you. Thank you. Thank you.
मुझे लगा कोई शर्तें तो नहीं लगी थी ना किसी के साथ.
So I'm sure your family is going to enjoy all this in today's dinner.
बिल्कुल.
Right, Dr. Mani? We can't hear you. You are on.
Thank you, Chef, and thank you, Archana, again.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
And if you allow me time, and if time permits me, Archana, can I share a few words that I have written for him?
Yeah, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Okay. So, Chef, I tried writing down a few things for you, which I just wanted to dedicate to you. With a dash of smile and chunks of talent, you came to the world of cooking. With heaps of hard work and gallons of humility, you conquered the culinary world in no time. You brewed success with your skills and creativity till the fumes of your name spread the nation and the world later. Your ounce of knowledge and pinch of humor soon then conquered the world of social media as well in no time. with millions of fans all around the world, you stand tall with a glass of humility in your hands and with a heart of gold under your sleeves. May you keep adding value to the field and age like a wine.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Ji. Thank you, Dr. Mani. You were very, very kind. Some very relevant questions. I think, like I said, the fact that you cannot do without science when it comes to cooking is something that a lot of us should take back.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Chef. Thank you so much. Pleasure talking to you.
Pleasure.